Alrighty, I have a construction update for you guys today. Exciting things are happening at Canada's Wonderland. I'm sure you've seen all the testing footage on our channel, the testing footage that's out there. It's looking amazing. Things are finally taking shape and it's exciting times here at Canada's Wonderland. Alpen Fury has completed its full first test cycle. The orange train has done 2 complete cycles now. The blue train has not run a single cycle. The seat backs are removed on the blue train. It is currently in the maintenance bay, either being worked on or just off to the side while they program all the launches with the orange train. That doesn't mean anything's wrong with the blue train. It just means that they are working with the orange train with their programming. That's all that is. Outside of that, all the lockout fencing has gone up around the ride. That's how you know it was going to test. There are water dummies on the ride. That's amazing. The pacing is amazing. I just want to remind you guys, the ride is not at full power right now. It is not at full power and it is still hauling through that layout. So imagine a fully launched coaster, a full power launched coaster at full speed, Alpen Fury at full speed. It is going to be such a good ride. It is going to be a top ride in the world. I know I'm biased. Canada's Wonderland's my home park, but it is going to be a top ride at Canada's Wonderland. At minimum at Canada's Wonderland, it's going to be a top contender worldwide. So outside of that, they have poured the concrete pad in the Qine area leading up into the station. So the Qine will be a little bit inside, a little bit outside, and then up in the station. The air gates up in the station have started to get installed, as well as the handrails around the station. Some of the wood panels on the station are very similar to Clockworks' wood panels around the ride. So that's a really cool touch that they've added there. Sorry, I am recording this from my hotel room at Universal Studios. I am enjoying my trip, but I had to come and record a quick update for you guys. I was out to lunch when we got the news that they had tested Alpen Fury, so I came back to the hotel room, was going to record some updates. So a huge thank you to Craiga, Russ, Christina, Amanda, Kenny, Jacob, all the people who helped record the video today. So huge thank you to you guys, but especially to Craiga editing the video and getting all these clips up while I am on vacation. That aside, they are still working on that, what looks like either a maintenance entrance or an evac platform. The elevator is getting worked on, some paint on the station on the inside, as well as continuous work on the op booth. The op panel has now been covered in plastic, so I assume they're going to be painting in there or doing some work in there where they don't want to get the op booth damaged. On top of that, they've been programming the ride with a laptop. I suspect that full testing will continue here and there. Just be understanding, if you are trying to catch it, that it could take hours. My team literally sat there for 4 hours waiting for it to test. We were tipped off yesterday about it testing before park opening, and unfortunately it tested after park opening, so we had to wait a while. And today it took about 4 hours of constant programming before that orange train started cycling. But nonetheless, super exciting. Premier did a fantastic job with this design. It looks amazing. When they told us at IAAPA that the pacing of Alpen Fury was going to maintain itself through the layout, it has been proven. With not a full power launch, that coaster has the best pacing that I've seen at Canada's Wonderland. So we finally have an amazing coaster at Canada's Wonderland that we have all been waiting for, and I can't wait to get on it. Outside of that, I think that's everything. My team did let me know that all the running rails are complete on Minebuster, so that's exciting. We should see testing starting any day now, but obviously take that with a grain of salt, as there could be errors in that statement. I believe that's all I have to share on Alpen Fury right now. My team will let me know if there's any other information to share with you guys, and I will get a video recorded. But tomorrow, Sunday, I am going to be at Epic Universe all day, so I might be on a little hiatus all day tomorrow. But I'm going to film a vlog for you guys and showcase my reactions on all the rides. So thank you so much for supporting this channel. If you really want to help us out, drop a like, drop a share, and drop a comment on all our recent videos to support Craiga and the team for all their hard work while I'm away. So thank you so much, and have a good one, guys. Bye.